Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Paylocity account. First, look for a welcome email from Paylocity, which contains a secure registration link. This email is crucial for starting the process. Click on the link to navigate to the setup page. You will then need to enter your company code and some personal details to confirm your identity and ensure secure access to your new account. This initial step is quick and straightforward, taking only a few moments to complete. Next, you will create your login credentials. It is important to choose a username that is both unique and easy for you to recall. For your password, select a strong combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to maximize security. Aim for a password that is at least 8 characters long. After entering your new password, you will be prompted to confirm it by typing it again. This ensures accuracy and helps prevent typos. After setting your password, you will establish security questions. These questions are vital for recovering your account if you ever forget your password, so choose answers you will remember. Then, take a moment to review and update your personal profile information, ensuring all details like your address and phone number are current. You can also set your preferences for receiving important notifications, such as pay stubs or benefits updates, via email or text message. Finally, you will be asked to review and accept Paylocity's terms and conditions. This is a standard step to ensure you understand the platform's usage policies. Once accepted, confirm your registration to complete the account setup process. You are now ready to log in. Use your newly created username and password to access your personalized Paylocity portal, where you can manage your payroll, benefits, and other important employee information. Welcome aboard.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.